Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I will use today Awesome Oscillator indicator and I will start with just $450 on my deposit. If you are new to my channel, I advise you to watch my previous videos where I show how to work with one indicator or even two indicators, for example, in combination of parabolic SAR and Awesome Oscillator indicators. And of course I have other videos about Awesome Oscillator indicator. So it will help you to see what kind of situations I work on in my trading and as well how I think while I'm trading. Also, I explain everything in details, and if you enjoy my content, then please put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. And guys, I have a closed group. It's our closed community of traders where I'm sharing trading signals and it's for free. So if you want to get into this closed group, then you should text me a code word signal on my Telegram, and the link to my Telegram will be in the description box. So guys, let's get started. So guys, today we are going to use with you Awesome Oscillator indicator and I will show you how to use this indicator. Well, let's connect it, and to do this, let's go to the menu of this indicator and select Awesome Oscillator from the list. We leave all the settings by default, nothing needs to be changed. Thus, an indicator appeared at the bottom of our chart. It consists of a red and green histogram, as well as horizontal line with a mark of 0, on different sides of which this histogram is formed. If we see that the red histogram is forming and approaching the horizontal line with a mark of 0 from top to bottom, also after that a red histogram may continue to form under the horizontal line with a mark of 0, then this situation tells us that the volumes are going for a decrease. Also, when the red histogram changed its color to green and after that a green histogram is formed. Also, the green histogram may approach the horizontal line with a mark of 0 from the bottom up, and after that it will continue to form above the horizontal line with a mark of 0. Then this situation also tells us that volumes are going for an increase, and this means that in the near future the price will move up. At the same time, of course, we definitely pay attention to the support and resistance levels. Also, on the overall trading situation as a whole, since this indicator is an auxiliary tool of technical analysis, and only competent combination of the indicator and technical analysis together will give us a good result. Also, this indicator has errors, for example, during pullbacks or when the price moves in the pro-trading zone. That is why we need to pay attention to this whole situation and not only rely on this indicator. So guys, please watch this video till the end. So I think that today we'll find different kinds of situation in the market and you can see how I work with this indicator. And we will try to find different situations, patterns, and of course try to earn money. So guys, let's find the first situation in the market. Here at the bottom, guys, we have a support level. We also see that at the moment the price has reached our level and is already starting to break through it. Here we will open a deal literally for 1 minute to go down. The main price highs are getting lower. The price has a good potential for a decline. We also see that a red histogram is being formed at the moment. This means that the volumes are going downwards. I think that in the near future this level will be broken and the price will continue to move down. I think 1 minute here will be quite enough. It is possible that I will get into a very impulsive moment of the price down and into the very breakdown of the level. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, it's not bad, guys. The price still continued to move down and this level was broken, and here we made a profit. As you can see, this indicator in turn also suggested us a good entry point. The volumes on the decline really began to grow and the price continued to move down. Such situation worked well. Not a bad start. Let's continue. Here at the top I have set a horizontal line from which the resistance zone begins. We also see that the price is approaching this zone. Here we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to increase. There is a good confident uptrend and it is more likely that the movement will continue to the level. We also see that the green histogram is being formed at the moment. Volumes are growing for increase. I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough for us. A pullback can occur directly both from the beginning of the resistance zone and from its upper point. That is, at the moment it is not a clear horizontal line but a certain area. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price really continued to move up, and here we made a profit. Also, the reaction to the rollback occurred from the upper boundary of this zone, but in any case, 2 minutes was quite enough for us. Also, this indicator told us a good entry point. Everything is going great. Let's continue, guys. Here at the top, we also have a resistance level. We also see that at the moment the price is moving towards our level. There is still space to reach through the resistance level. We'll open the deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think the price has continued to move towards the level. Also, the main price lows are getting higher. At the same time, a green histogram is formed. This means that the volumes for the increase are growing. In the near future, the price will move up. 2 minutes also with the margin taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback down. And so, guys, let's wait for the result. Well, guys, it's not bad. Indeed, there was a pullback down, but after that, the upward movement continued, and here we are making profit. And since the price moves in waves and there was a pullback down, it was the pullback down the indicator reacted to, and that's why the red histogram began to form. It is precisely a situation that can be considered as an error. As you can see that the whole potential of the price is going up, but I hope now you understand what is an error of the indicator and why it's super important to see the situation as a whole on the market. So guys, let's continue. Rewinding the graph to the left about 3 hours ago, I also set the level for the lower values of these candles. This is the lowest point for a given period of time. We are interested in this level because the price is approaching it from top to bottom. We return to the beginning of our chart. And here we also see that there is a good confident downtrend and the price is approaching this level. And since there's still space to the level, we will open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. There was just a slight pullback up and this is a good point to open a deal. We also see that a red histogram was formed and green bars were also formed on the rollback. After that, the red histogram begins to form again and the overall market situation is going down. We also see, guys, that there is a confident downtrend, and in this situation it is more correct to open a deal on a downtrend because this is just an error. So we shouldn't take into account that there were green histogram formed. The price has a good potential for a decrease and it is more likely that this level will be broken. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, guys, it's not bad, although this level has not yet been broken, but in any case, the price continued its movement to the level of support. And after touching this level, there was a reversal and the price began to move up. But we managed to work out exactly on downward movement and 2 minutes were quite enough. Let's continue and consider another situation in the market. Here we see the support level and we also see that at the moment the price is approaching our level, there is a certain compression and the main price highs are also become lower. At the same time, a red histogram is formed. This means that the volumes are growing downwards. Here proposed to open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future the price will also continue to move towards the level. It is quite possible that it will be breached. After all, the price here also has a good potential to decrease. So 2 minutes also with the margin taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great, guys, the price really continued to move down, the level has been broken and we are getting a good confident profit. The indicator was right again, the price really continued to move down and the volumes on decline began to grow. Everything is going great, let's continue. Here we have a level of support. We also see that the price touched our level for the third time. Also, after touching the level, there was a slight upward pullback, but the main price highs are getting lower. Here proposed to open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future, the price will still continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible that it will be broken through since the overall price potential is still going down. We also see that a red histogram was formed and a green histogram began to form during the rollback. This situation can also be considered as an error since the price has a good potential for a decrease. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down and this level will be broken. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad. Indeed, there was an upward pullback, and after that the downward movement continued. The level has been broken through. This is where we make a profit. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again. You can also see that after the green histogram, the red histogram began to form again, and the price continued steady downward movement. Meanwhile, I already have $5,500 on my deposit. I propose to open another last deal for today. So guys, I will find the situation and we will continue. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that after the pullback the price is approaching our level again. In this situation I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to increase. I think that this level will be broken in the near future because the price here also has a good potential for increase. At the same time, we see that the green histogram is being formed, which means that volumes are growing for increase. I think that 2 minutes here will be quite enough for us, even taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback down. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the price continued to move up, the level has been broken and we made a profit. Also, the indicator turn gave us a good entry point. The volumes for the increase really started to grow and the price continued to move up. I already have almost $8,000 on deposit, so I think we end here. I just fixed the profit and leave the market. I fulfilled my plan for today, and as you can see, all the situations worked well themselves. Well guys, with the right approach, this strategy works well. Also, as you have noticed, market situations kind of similar to each other in a way, and of course when you work on them it's kind of the same strategy. And if you want to improve your trading experience, then you should first of all turn on this indicator, then find similar situation in the market, open a deal, good, bad. It's a practice. Every time you should practice if you want your experience to be better and better. But if you watch my videos carefully and you pay attention on how I trade, then you will succeed and you will earn money. And it's always the rule of 3. Trade, train, and accumulate your experience so you will not feel struggle in trading sphere, and you will just every time have profit, succeed, and you will enjoy this process. And if you want to keep developing in your trading experience, then don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos about how to trade. And yeah, I have a close group guys where I'm sharing my trading signals for free. It's an extra help for you. So if you want to get it, welcome to my Telegram. Yeah, just text me code word signal on my Telegram. The link will be down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.